The train rolls softly through the night, neon shadows passing by, faces fading in the glass like memories that never last. Every station comes and goes, like the people that I've known. Still the city keeps its rhythm and somehow leads me home. Midnight train memories running through my mind, lost between tomorrow and the days I left behind. Midnight train memories drifting endlessly. Every light beyond the window feels like part of me. The rails sing underneath the wheels, a melody the city feels. Some are searching for a dream, some are trying just to breathe. I watch reflections overlap, the future and the past, and somewhere in this moving night I find a little peace. Midnight train memories running through my mind, lost between tomorrow and the days I left behind. Midnight train memories drifting endlessly. Every light beyond the window feels like part of me. Where this road will end, but tonight that doesn't matter. The city keeps on moving, and so do I.